The Attorney General's office calling just one witness today, Amanda Tomashow, who saw Dr. Larry Nassar right here at MSU in 2014. It's her Title IX investigation that's the center of this case, a case that Simon's defense attorneys maintain is without merit and also politically motivated.
Her mission was for MSU to look good.
Prosecutor Scott Teeter laying out his case in the very same Eaton County courtroom where Larry Nassar was sentenced for sexually abusing dozens of women and girls. Former MSU grad school student Amanda Tomashow, who we were asked not to show on camera, testifying about her assault and the steps she took to report it in 2014.
Just sat there frozen, like, how do I get out of this room alive? I was sitting in a room with a monster.
Tomashow testifying that she once dreamed of becoming a neurosurgeon, but after the abuse, her life has never been the same.
Thanks to MSU, I can't park on the top of parking structures because of the overwhelming urge to drive off of them.
Prosecutors plan to show through a series of emails, phone calls, and a meeting that Loanna Simon knew of that abuse.
So what happened to her and how her report was mishandled by MSU, and that it went all the way to the defendant's desk before being swept under the rug, sets the motive for the defendant to lie.
According to the AG's office, Tomashow's complaint went to MSU's Title IX office, as well as MSU Senior Advisor to the President for Diversity, Paulette Granberry Russell. Prosecutors say Simon and Russell held a meeting in 2014 where Simon was made aware of the sexual assault complaint, specifically naming Nassar. But Simon's defense team says Russell doesn't remember any of that. Simon told police she wasn't made aware of the assault until 2016 when all the allegations went public.
She's been interviewed a multitude of times, and I've seen the interviews that they did. And in every interview, she says she doesn't remember ever meeting or recall meeting with Loanna Simon on May 19th at all.
Simon's attorneys also saying the timing of the whole investigation is too convenient for the AG's office.
They don't interview her for all those years, but they do just before the election.
The Attorney General's spokesperson says Simon was not charged until after the election. No word yet on who else is expected to testify in this preliminary hearing, but it is safe to assume that we will be hearing from some of those Title IX investigators. Simon, meantime, is due back in court in April. At Michigan State University, Annie Satowski, Fox 17 News.